Have you heard someone say, oh, if I had money, I would do things my way. Oh, but little they know, yeah, that it's so hard to find one rich man in 10 with a satisfied mind. Money can't buy your youth when you're old. A friend when you're lonely. Peace to your soul. The wealthiest person, yeah, is a pauper at times. Compared to the man with a satisfied mind. Now when my life is over and my time has run out, all my friends and my lovers, I will leave them no doubt. Oh, for one thing's for certain, when it comes to my time,